Hi you guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Stitch Fix unboxing. So Stitch Fix has an awesome deal running right now. When you use my promo code below, you're going to get $50 in free credit, you guys. This is amazing. So just to give you a little breakdown of the cost, when you first sign up for Stitch Fix, it is a $20 styling fee. And then that $20 applies to whatever you want to keep in the box. So in total, you're going to get $50 worth of credit that you can use absolutely free. And when you check out, you will have to either enter your credit card information or you can enter your PayPal information. And they just need that to secure just in case you decide to keep more things in the box. That's just kind of how they protect themselves in terms of making sure that people aren't just going to not pay for the product. So you do have to put down either a credit card or link your PayPal so that they have some form of payment for you. So Stitch Fix is an amazing service. So what you do is you fill out a style quiz and you are partnered up with a stylist. You can link your Pinterest boards. There's a note for you to let your stylist know something that you're specifically looking for. So for my next box, I asked for a wedding appropriate outfit because I do have a wedding to go to May 2nd. So I went ahead and let my stylist know, hey, this is what I need. And then in the style survey, you can also say like items, you can also mention items you want to conceal, maybe some areas you want to accentuate and all of that stuff. So I have had a lot of luck with my new stylist that I have. I recently got a new stylist back in the summertime and she has been killing it. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys know everything that I got. So let me open up the note here. So inside of your box, you're gonna get your box of goodies. I can't show you my bundle because I have already opened it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you guys the note. Hi Gina, thank you for the notes for your style profile. I found some really great pieces for date nights. The Emery Park black short sleeve cross neck top has a loose fit you prefer and the long length that is very flattering. You can layer the top with a cardigan or a jacket. The paper moved olive back detail top is a great fit, can be layered as well. Olive is a great color for this season. For a dress option, I chose the classic black Collective Concepts knit dress. That is so lovely and will look fabulous on you. Just add some heels or wedges. You can add a denim jacket over it for a casual look. All of these pieces have a solid color you prefer, so I can mix and match. Happy New Year, Katie. So my stylist's name is Katie. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into everything. I always look at the prices last because I don't want something to weigh heavily just on price. I want to see how I feel and how I look in the item that I am trying on. Emery Park Dulce short sleeve knit top. I have already worn it. It is currently in the wash right now, so I cannot show it to you on me, but I'm gonna go ahead and share a photo of what the top looks like. This is just the perfect everyday tee. You could dress it up for date night. You could go casual with it. This is just like the perfect tee in my opinion. So I cannot share it with you right now because I already opened it and put it on. So the next thing that she sent over is this lace dress. It is a crisscross back detail black dress. So this is really nice. My husband and I frequent in Vegas a lot. So my husband and I go to Vegas twice a year. So that is definitely a Vegas dress for sure. And then I got some jeans. So these are cut from the cloth baby boot cut and I got a size 10 and they are some dark denim. And what I love about them is there's a little bit of a flare. So I'm excited for these. And then the next thing she put in here is, actually it's pretty similar to the other top that I got from Emery Park. It is the Paper Moon back detail knit top in olive. It is a very loose fitting, it is a very light material, so I know it's not going to be super hot. And then there's this really cute back detail right here. And then she also sent a necklace, which I love when they send necklaces to pair with like everything in the box. So I love that. So this is the necklace right here. And I love the two-toned on here. I love having the silver mixed with the gold. So this is the necklace right here. I love statement jewelry. I love layering jewelry. So this just screams me. So everything in this box is a slam dunk for sure. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on for you guys to show you guys the fit, and then I'll come back in here and let you know what I think of everything. So I love this outfit in its complete ensemble. So I love the dark denim. I love the flare with the pants. Flared legs are really flattering on my body type. I have a very pear body type. And the jeans fit fabulous. I am in a size 10 and they fit me like butter. And this top, love it. I love the color, especially against my darker hair. I think when you add layered necklaces to outfits, it just gives you like a complete ensemble look, which I absolutely love. And then this is the back detail, which gives a little bit more of a fancier detail to a more casual top. So I'll go ahead and share with you guys the back right here. So I think this is really sexy. So I love this top right here. I could wear this taking Scarlett to school, but then I could also throw on like a leather jacket over it and have it be more of a date night outfit. So I absolutely love this. All right, guys, so this is the black lace dress. So it has a cross back detail in the back. And this is definitely the perfect date night dress for sure. I mean, it's not super short, but I rarely wear things this short anymore, but this would definitely make a really nice date night dress. And I love the waist detail right here. So yeah, this is a really nice date night dress. So she said I could pair it with a denim jacket, which I got from Stitch Fix. So this is how she said I could wear this dress for a more like casual look, and I definitely think it works, definitely. So this is what it looks like paired with a denim jacket. Like I could definitely do some booties. I'm not a heels girl. I don't like flats either. I would do wedges like in the summertime, but I think that this is really, really stinking cute. I could totally see myself wearing this for Valentine's Day even. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this dress. I think it's working for me. Guys, so I think my stylist knocked it out of the park. So let's just go over the one item I don't have to share with you guys because it's in my washer right now. It is the Emery Park Dulce short sleeve knit top in black, and this is priced for $34. So that is a very reasonable price. I set lowest as possible on all of my options, but if there's something, there's also an option that will say you're willing to pay more for something if you really love it. So I have picked that option. So next thing is the necklace, and this is the Romolo layered pendant in gold and silver, and this is priced for $34 as well. And for a nice piece of statement jewelry, I absolutely would pay that. So I also have another necklace that I've had from Stitch Fix for quite some time, and this piece has held up really well. I got this in my summer box and I absolutely love it, as well as this gold layered necklace. It's tangled right now, so I'm not giving it a justice, but the gold has not tarnished or worn down at all. So I love my Stitch Fix pieces when it comes to jewelry. So that is $34 as well. So then the next top is from Paper Moon, and it is the back detail knit top, and this is in a size medium, and it's in an olive color, and the material is so stinking soft, you guys. I absolutely love this. This is priced for $34 as well. So far the box has been pretty reasonable on my wallet. So next is the jeans. So these are the cut from the cloth Simon's bootcut jean, size 10. So these are $88. Now I pay like over $120 for my Madewell jeans. So $88 for jeans is something I absolutely would pay for. So great deal on those, in my opinion, for a nice pair of jeans that are gonna, you know, if you're someone who lives in jeans, paying 88 bucks for jeans, I think is a good price. And then the last thing is the Collective Concepts Cotton Blend Lace Knit Dress. And this is $78. I actually went in and showed my husband this dress, and he actually really liked it. So if the hubby likes it, then definitely something that I would consider picking up for a date night. So with Stitch Fix, you get 5 items. And if you decide to keep all 5, they give you a 25% discount of everything. So my subtotal is $201 after the styling fee. So the styling fee, every box you get, it's $20 for the styling fee. And then that applies to whatever you want to purchase in your box. So I already had $20 in the styling fee credit. So my total is $176 for everything in this box. And how I determine if I would buy all 5 items is, one, will I wear all of these items? Could I see myself wearing these items often? The only thing that I don't see myself wearing often is that black dress. But when I factor in the discount, the 25% off discount, it takes off $68. So it almost pays for the dress itself just with the discount. So that's how I factor in if I would purchase the whole box or not, because I liked everything else that I know that I would wear a ton, except for that black dress. So with that being said, I'm going to keep everything in this box because everything fit me so well. I felt really good in it, felt really confident in it, and this box is right up my alley. So thank you so much, Katie, for doing such a fantastic job in styling me. So if you guys want to go ahead and give Stitch Fix a try, there is a offer today only. It ends today. Well, you will get $50 in credit when you sign up for your box. So you're going to be able to get $50 worth of anything in your first box, and you can link your PayPal. So if you have some credit from couponing, from different couponing apps, you can link your PayPal account, and this gives you a way for you to treat yourself when you cash out your rebate. So I'm going to go ahead and leave my last Stitch Fix unboxing. I'm going to leave my So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I hope everyone has a fantastic weekend. Bye.